Hey, welcome back, everyone. It is time for another red hot cash secure put video. Yeah, that's right. We're getting behind the mic here. We're talking about my Dutch Bros trade. Now, this is a 1 week, actually, it's a 2-day cash secure put. And I'm going to show you on the charts here. So I want you to stick around. Show you on the charts why we picked this particular strike price and why we're doing it now. We're starting a wheel. We're going to talk about what a wheel is, cash secure put is, and we're going to talk about why I selected this strike price and how much money I've thrown at this. Okay? So here's the deal. Dutch Bros trading in a nice range right before earnings. In fact, tonight is earnings. So what I've decided to do with 1,000 shares of money, I've decided to do 10 contracts. Okay? We're going to do 10 contracts. We're going to do this Friday's expiration. You can see it right there. It's February 24th, 2023. Today is February 22nd, 2023. So this is literally 2 days away. We've decided to do this 1 week or 2-day trade to essentially be assigned the shares. Now, we're going to talk about that here in a second too. Will I be assigned? Won't I be assigned? We have to set this trade up. So initially, I want to be assigned the shares so I can start what they call a wheel trade. Okay? If you know what a wheel trade is, you start with a cash secure put and you get paid, right? Then when you're assigned the shares, you then write a covered call, have your shares taken away, and then you do the cash secure put again. And then of course you're assigned the shares and you write a covered call. And when your shares are taken away and your money's replaced into your account, that is a successful wheel. So we have to start that wheel, and I'm going to pick Dutch Bros. I'm going to show you on the charts why we did this. And I got $2.25. Do you see that? $2.25 for this 2-day trade. So this pockets me in upfront cash, $2,243 for 2 days. Okay. So we picked the 38 strike. And Dutch Bros is trading at about 37.80. Let's go to the charts. I'm going to show you why I picked this strike and why I did it during earnings. And we're going to follow up and talk about the cash secure put. Now you can see Dutch Bros is already trading at 37.95. They have earnings tonight. And here's the deal. We've talked about this many times. Dutch Bros is actually doing very well. In fact, Wall Street believes they're going to beat their number. They beat their number last quarter. And about 5 weeks ago, Dutch Bros CEO came out and said, look, they're going to meet all their 2023 numbers and they're going to expand appropriately. So I love this play on Dutch Bros. So let's take a look as to why I decided to pick this 38 strike. It's very simple. Dutch Bros is literally trading what I believe at potentially support. You notice it breaks through support. It hangs up there and it basically hits that support of 38 and it pops. And we're now moving sideways to higher. The markets are falling. Past 3 days, the market's been getting clobbered. So if you think about it, Dutch Bros has gone from 40 to basically 38 in this absolute slam of the past couple days. So I like that support from Wall Street. Now, the reason I decided to pick that 38 strike is because I believe this is Dutch Bros sandbox. Anywhere from 40 to 34. 30 to 34. To me, that's Dutch Bros sandbox right now. You could see it right there. So if I'm assigned the shares at 38, I pick up $2.25. What's my true cost basis? Well, let's talk about the cash secure put real quick. The cash secure put quite simply is this. I'm telling the greater stock market, here's my cash to buy your shares at 38. I'm going to give you a time frame. In this case, I gave them 2 days, this Friday's expiration, end of business on Wall Street. And you're going to pay me a $2.25 premium for setting that cash aside. Now here's the deal. If Dutch Bros trades above 38, I will not be assigned the shares. They're not going to give me their shares if Dutch Bros is trading above 38. They can sell them on the open stock market and make more money. If Dutch Bros trades 1 penny below 38, they are going to take my offer because they get paid 38 and I get Dutch Bros shares at 38, not $37.99. I get Dutch Bros shares at 38 because that was the price I told whoever bought my put that I'd take their shares. So the idea here is in a short window, you hope that it doesn't fall to 35, right? What you're hoping for is it rides this line and you either are not assigned the shares or you are assigned the shares. Now, again, I started this video by saying I want to be assigned the shares. So Dutch Bros tonight has earnings, the big fat E. And I believe with the market actually falling, now it has fallen the past 3 days, nasty. Well, it's barely up today. And quite frankly, that's not really even up with these numbers, if you know what I mean. It is a green day, but hey, at the end of the day, this really isn't here nor there. So for Dutch Bros to be rolling about 2%, I believe they're anticipating decent earnings. That's why I picked the 38 strike and not the 37.50. Because had I picked the 37.50, I was only going to be paid something like $1.70. And because I picked the in the money strike, I was going to be paid $1.70. That's all premium. It's out of the money because remember the stock's trading at 37.70. So it's actually not at that strike price, right? But $1.70. I didn't like that. For an additional 30 cents, I could pick the 38 strike, which is in the money. Do the math on that. For $2.25, I basically pick up an additional 30 cents because remember, there's 30 cents of intrinsic value in this trade. It's trading at 37.70. I picked the 38 strike. You see where there's 30 cents of real money in that option, right? Well, subtract $2.25 from 30 cents. That leaves you with about $1.90. So I'm going to take that over to $1.70. I have a great chance to be assigned the shares. And then come Monday morning, what are we going to do? We're going to write that covered call, hoping that we write maybe the 40 strike or even the 38 strike, pick up another $3 for 30 days. And what we're hoping is Dutch Bros will find itself moving higher, have our shares taken away. We collect $2.25 on the front side, possibly $3 on the other side. That's $5.50 on a $3,800 investment. This is for literally 32 days. You do the math on that, you're knocking it down, beating the stock market hands over fist. Hey, look, I'm going to leave it there. I want you to watch this trade. And remember, I sent this to you. I sent this trade to you this morning. I also loaded it up in the phone app, so it's there. Open up your phone app, check it out. I also sent you the trade. Okay, the trade has been sent to you and why I placed this trade right here, right now. If you have any questions about anything I talk about, you have access. You're a member. Okay, email me. Okay, I'll get back to you. If you want me to take a peek over your shoulder, you have a trade you might want to get my opinion on. What would John do? Well, you have to send it to me, okay? Send it to me. You have access because you put skin in the game. You are a member, and I absolutely appreciate that. Hey, look, be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.